In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can change size of your icons. Since I'm recording tutorials for a long time now, I get one question a lot with every new iPhone. Can we finally get icon slider like we have on an Android? And unfortunately, on this iPhone 17 we still don't have it. But we can resize icons a tiny bit. To do it now, hold your device's display until your icons will start shaking. When they do, click on Edit button at the top left corner and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Customize. So misclick and wait for Customize pop-up to show. Finally, to make standard icons bigger, click on this icon at the top right corner of the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my icons got a lot bigger. To save them as they are now, tap on your device's display. Unfortunately, bigger icons don't have labels. If you want to switch them to standard ones again, do exactly the same, tapping on the same icon. Additionally, my favorite things about icons on newest iPhone is all of those options at the bottom. Even though we can't resize them like we would want to, we can change theme of them and play with all of those settings. This one is my favorite. To save them, click on your display. If you decided not to play with looks of them again and want to go back to the default ones, enter the same settings one more time and select default on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!